Hey, I'm Haley from Your House Fitness, here to teach you some adductor stretches. So first off, your adductors, ADD, adductors, are the muscles of your inner thighs. So if you're feeling tight in your inner thighs, here are some options. I like to start with the butterfly stretch, right? Easy, feet together, letting your knees come down to the ground. Don't forget to sit tall, try to keep a straight spine. So just like that. If you don't feel it here, and some people don't, you can add a little bit of pressure, one side at a time, elbows, or just lean forward. Another option for your adductors is to stretch your legs out to the side, straddle or pizza stretch, right? Sitting tall might be enough for you. You can walk forward to get the stretch even bigger. And lastly, and I think the hardest one, is the froggy stretch, right? Coming forward onto your knees, slowly walking your legs out to the side, kind of like you're doing the middle splits. You can hold it right here. You can gently rock or hinge forward and back. You can come down onto your forearms. So what do you think? Give it a try. If you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the article. The link is in the description. Keep stretching. Have an awesome day.